Welcome to another tutorial by WepTech Academy. So in this tutorial we'll be looking at the panels and the workspaces. So here we have our tools, and here we have our panels. So this is your workspace, all this is your workspace, all. So this one we call this the artboard. This is the artboard where you'll be placing your images, you'll be placing your text, you'll be placing your shapes and your text and all the likes. So let's go ahead and review various tools in Illustrator. So we have the selection tool, we have the direct selection tool, we have the magic wand tool, we have the lasso tool, we have the curvature tool, the pen tool, the text tool, the line tool, the rectangle tool, the paintbrush tool, the shaper tool, the eraser tool, scale tool, and all the likes. This is the shape builder tool, the gradient tool, the eyedropper tool, artboard tool, hand tool, zoom tool, and here we have these options are basically to modify the colors of our shape and the color of the stroke. So with this let's go ahead and check out the panels of the Adobe Illustrator. So here we have the color panel, we have the color guide, we have the swatches, we have brushes, we have symbols, we have strokes, we have gradient, we have transparency. So all of these are basically meant to facilitate your workflow in Illustrator. So here we have our layers panel, asset export and all the like. So I'll go ahead and create a shape. So I'll select the rectangle tool and create this. To duplicate this, we just go ahead and click Alt. So I have these two shapes and I want to modify the color. So to modify the color, we use this, and the stroke color we use this other icon here. So at the top here we can change the stroke width 10, but I wish it to be at 5. And now we can modify the width profile of the stroke. As you can see, notice the changes in various profiles I select. So I wish to use the uniform. We have this, which is also meant to edit our shapes. We can reduce the opacity of our shape to let me say 50. So as you can see, it has become transparent, but I'll increase this back to 100. So we have the alignment. So I'll select two shapes. I want to align both of them horizontally. I'll click this. So these are basically the alignment tools in Illustrator. So we can also change the colors of our shapes in here using these. As you can see, this one is at the front. We can bring this at the front. So this is the stroke and this is the fill. So to double click and you can change the color. Okay, so this is basically same process with the stroke. So if you wish not to have any fill for your shape, you just go ahead and click this little icon here. So there you don't have any color for that shape, but I will rather maintain the color I had here. Okay, we have the text tool, as you from the names, basically to add text. We have the curvature tool and all the like. So thank you for following up the Adobe interface and panels and workspace course.